Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Got a box here in the mail. Oh, that is, wow, that's small. It looks bigger on the photos. This is from PowerAdd Pro. That's the name of the company. Wow, it looked big in the photos. Pocket sized. Interesting. So what we have here is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, which is actually quite comfortable in the hand. It's a DISP 10,000 power bank. So this has 37 watt hours. This tiny little thing, 37 watt hours of capacity. It has a Type-C input, 5 volt 3 amps and 9 volt 2 amps. And it's got a Type-C output at 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2.2 amps, and 12 volt 1.5 amps. Pretty impressive for such a little thing. And a USB output, 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2 amps, 12 volt 1.5 amps. Wow. So we got a little protective foil here. We got a power button. 50%, 56% state of charge. Sorry about my reflection there. Look at that. Neat. Well, I'm going to hook up. Let me see. I'm going to put my cell phone on this. There's a cable. Comes with it. I'm going to hook up my cell phone. Something cool I remembered. I have an old PowerAdd. Same company. They've changed it to PowerAdd Pro. But I've had this for many years and it still works fine. So their quality is good. But you can see the new compared to the old. The new one is a little more slimline. Nice looking. But that just shows the durability of these things. Their company is good. And I've used their devices before. And still do use it. So I trust their stuff. Through long-term extended use. So I want to hook this up. It's got the blue slot there. And then I want to hook this up to my phone. Oh, it automatically turns on. Oh, look at that. So it's showing 50% state of charge, and it says fast. It's fast charging output. Fast charging. Yep, it says right on my phone, fast charging. Okay, whoops. I don't know. Fast charging right there. I don't know if I can see that. So that works. Well, I'm going to have to charge this up, though, before I go too much further. But it's convenient because I don't have handy chargers since I'm off the grid. I always use mobile chargers to charge my phone. Just convenient because I'm always on the go. The 12 volt port in my truck doesn't work. And the car wants to hook up to USB on my phone. It doesn't matter. Point is, I like these. I like these way better than plugging into any other thing for charging my phone. And since we're up semi off the grid, trying to be fully off the grid, that's going to be great. So I'm going to get that charged up. Let's show you what happens when I plug it into a charger and see how that device, what the display will show. Here's my handy but somewhat cluttered charging station. I'm going to plug this in the other way around to here, to its input, and plug this over into here. And okay, it blinks. So that's how it shows when it's charging. It's going to blink. Well, I'll leave it in there and let it charge up. So I'm going to charge my phone with this. I've got this charged to 100%. Alright. Now I'm holding my camera. I can't do this while holding the camera, but normally when it's off, and well, maybe I can. it turns itself on automatically as soon as you insert a device to be charged. There it is. And it should show fast charging. Very good. So it will charge my phone quite rapidly. 98%. Fast charging done. 68% on the battery. I'm going to disconnect this. And I'm going to put this out in the sun to recharge. Now I can tell you already from experience, this thing will recharge my cell phone from 15-20% to full twice before it really needs a recharge. So I can get two full recharges. And this is a pretty big phone with a pretty demanding battery. Now that's off grid for you. It's charging on solar power. Can you see that? So I'm going to let that sit there. I've got a little solar panel here that I'll use to charge that up. And there it can sit all day. Free energy. This is awesome for charging up a camping lantern for you. So you can take it out in the field or take it in your tent camping and keep your devices charged up on the go. This is really convenient for charging up my flashlights that we use here in the homestead as well. Well guys, I've been using this all over the place, on the road, on the go, at home, in the office, especially in the office, the PowerAdd Pro little pack, because we are off the grid. My office is especially off the grid. There is no working electric wiring up in my office, so it's all off-grid solar powered, and battery packs like this are very convenient to have. So I'm really pleased with its performance. It'll charge my very power-hungry cell phone twice in very short time. I'm pleased with that too. But it'll also power up anything, any, like I could say, smaller devices, repeatedly, depending on their power capacity and needs. But really, can't say a thing negative about it. It has served me well, and because of my illness, I've had it for an extended amount of time, longer than I had originally intended, and I have been using it the whole time. And therefore, I can say with assurance that it hasn't given me any troubles or problems at all during this extended period. Anyway, get yourself one, guys. I'll put the links down below. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's coming to the homestead tomorrow. Get yourself one.